Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today it's a full day vlog in which I will be sharing garden wrap up for winter, a quick and easy traditional sweet treat and a perfect chicken tikka combo for dinner. Soon after the kids left to school, I started cleaning up my garden. Fall has already begun, the trees started to change its color and many of my plants started to die as well. So I am just discarding many of my plants which are only good in spring, summer and late in the fall they will be starting to die. That's why I am just cleaning up right now. All my vegetable plants I discarded. Most of the tomato plants, all pepper plants, everything is dead. But these strawberry plants are growing more and more better as the season is getting to an end, and also I can see a lot of strawberries coming, but still even fall colors also started to come in this strawberry plant. You can see I will keep them indoor for a little while and save it. Let's see how it works. Few plants which I want to save for next season, I will be keeping it indoor all time, and few plants I will leave outside and will be bringing it inside when the weather is really very bad. Last harvest for the season from this Malabar spinach plants, both the pots I will be completely chopping it out and will be leaving it out. Only when the weather is less than 40°F I will take them inside. This is ajwain plant, and this plant is going to be very useful all through winter. I will be making some recipes, will be sharing it soon. It is very helpful to fight cough and colds, so having this plant in winter is very helpful. Sure, I will share some of the recipes which I try. All empty pots I have put it in my garage. I will keep it sometimes when I am free. I will just remove all the stems and roots and take out only the soil for next season. That's it, my patio is just free of all the plants and it is ready, neat and clean for winter. I have many indoor plants. Along with that, some of the outdoor plants also will be sitting here inside for all through winter. This window will have good sunlight all through winter also, even if the weather is very bad. My son was requesting me to make some sweet treat for the evening, so I thought this is the most easiest one which I can quickly make. This is sweet vermicelli or meathi Seviyan. I have just taken enough milk. To that I am adding a vermicelli, that is 300 grams approximately. Just bring it to boil. To that I am just adding half cup of sugar and little bit of milk maid. To that I am also adding cardamom powder for flavoring. You can also use rose essence if you have. Just give it a good mix and bring it to boil and off the flames instantly. That's it. Our sweet vermicelli is ready. A very good tempering is a must for this type of sweet treat. I have just taken clarified butter, that is ghee, cashews, almond and raisins. I am using whole milk in this milk. It's a very healthy sweet treat for kids. Sure, give it a try. This is a very traditional recipe. I know everybody must be knowing this already. This is a very easy recipe which everybody makes in their day-to-day life. We also make the same way with semolina also, you can try. Now let's move to the next recipe. It's a very perfect chicken tikka recipe. I have taken chicken tenders. To that I am adding 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, lemon juice, salt to taste. Nicely give it a good mix and keep it for 10 minutes. It will release its own liquid and we will have to discard that liquid. Lemon juice will make the chicken tender also. I have taken chili powder, turmeric powder, garam masala, kasuri methi, and now I am adding jeera powder. Remove all the liquid from the chicken, and in that chili powder I have taken normal chili powder and Kashmiri chili powder together. I have taken hung curd, don't use watery curd. Also I have taken 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil If your yogurt is nice watery, then you will not have a nice good coating over the chicken tikka. Also, you can add a pinch of food color if you don't have Kashmiri red chili powder. After this, you should leave it to rest for at least 3 to 4 hours. I did this in the morning while I was doing my gardening work so that it will be ready for the evening. I am using these skewers. You can also use the bamboo skewers which we normally get in the market. You can also make even without skewers, just single pieces you can fry, but in skewers it's really very easy to handle. You can marinate these chicken tikkas and keep even previous day ready for any time to fry for any meal. Grease your grill pan and start grilling the chicken tikkas. This grill pan is nice and hot and it is sitting on two of my stove top. You can see it is very big. Now I have also taken some peppers, colored peppers and onions cut in julienne shape. I just mixed the same masala of chicken tikka in it and extra seasoning as well. This tawa has grill on one side and it is very plain on the other side where you can make dosa or roti or naan as well. On this side it is grill where you can make chicken tikka, sheikh and lot more. For every 3 minutes just give it a twist and turn. You can see how nice and beautiful grill marks are there on this chicken tikka. Approximately it took 10 minutes for me to grill all of these. This chicken is very juicy and very tasty. Sure, give it a try. At this point when the chicken is completely ready, sure give it a butter brush on all these chicken tikka. Adding butter will make it nice, soft, juicy and tasty, and also it will have a nice glaze on top. I am going to serve this chicken tikka with whole wheat pita breads. You can always choose to serve with chapati, paratha, naan or even with pulao. It's a perfect combo for dinner. I just served it along with coleslaw also. Coleslaw recipe is very easy. Sorry, I couldn't add the clip in this. It's just the cabbage, double color cabbage and little bit of carrot cut in juliennes. To that we'll be adding salt, pepper and mayonnaise. That's it. Now it's evening time, fun time. All sit together and talk what happened in school and lot more. Hope you all enjoyed this video. Soon we'll be back with another vlog. Until then, stay safe and healthy. If you like my videos, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Live tasty, be happy. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.